और तेलंगाना में निजामाबाद से बीजेपी रुकने पार्लियामेंट अरविंद धर्मपुरी ने इल्जाम लगाया कि तेलंगाना के साबिक वज़ीर आला केसीआर की ईमा पर कांग्रेस रहनुमा उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी बांका चरला अभी मनसूबे को मकामी इदारा जाती इंतखाबात से कबल जानबूझकर अवामी बहस में ला रहे हैं ताकि तेलंगाना सेंटिमेंट को उभारा जा सके। उन्होंने उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी को तनकीद का निशाना बनाते हुए कहा कि यह तनाज़ा महज सियासी फायदे के लिए खड़ा किया जा रहा है।
Regarding Banaka Cherla project, it is Andhra Pradesh government's proposal. Center has not received any major documentation yet. So center will, according to me, center will go as per the CWC guidelines and Godavari and river boards which were based upon AP Reorganization Act. So, and till date there is no communication between Telangana CM and Andhra CM. Both of them were from same party. Revanth claims to be a student of CBN college, Chandrababu Naidu's college. He himself claims to be. So who is stopping them to meet? Have you exchanged any, is there any correspondence between both states? There is no correspondence. This is a sheer eyewash meeting which Uttam Kumar Reddy has called. He spoke to me on phone yesterday. I asked him how much more water does Telangana require? He has no clue. How many TMC would you want to stop before the rivers flow into Andhra Pradesh? He has no clue. I asked him, in case you want to solve some X TMC amount of water,